Hey, in this video we are going to learn one of the most important parts of Chinese, tones. Chinese is a tonal language, which means the pitch you use when you say a word can completely change its meaning. There are 4 main tones in Mandarin, plus a neutral tone. Let me show you using the syllable MA. First tone, high and steady. Ma. It means mom. It sounds like you are singing a flat note. Ma. Second tone, rising, like you are asking a question. Ma means numb. Ma, like you are surprised. Ma. Third tone, dipping down, then up. Ma means horse. Start low, go a little lower, then rise. Ma. Fourth tone, sharp and falling, like you are giving a command. Ma means to scold. It sounds strong and quick. Ma. And finally, there is a neutral tone. Ma, a question particle. It is light, short, and doesn't carry much tone at all. Let's look at them all together. Ma, 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 ma. See, same spelling, totally different meanings, just because of tone. If you are new to this, don't worry, it just takes practice. Try saying each word slowly, exaggerate it, and even use hand movements to feel the pitch changes. In the next video, we'll start learning how to pronounce consonants and vowels in Chinese, the building blocks of every word. So practice these tones a few times and I'll see you in the next video.